Why in the world are your people leaving? If you're like many companies today, employee retention is one of your biggest frustrations. And not only are you frustrated by the fact that your top talent is essentially walking out the door, but it's also costing your company a significant amount of money to replace those people. Here in the US, the unemployment rate is low, making it incredibly easy for your top talent to find other, perhaps more attractive opportunities in the workplace. That is, unless you remain the most attractive on the block. And here's how you can do it. It starts with a solid employee retention strategy. Now, retention strategies are not universal, so what may work for some companies may not work for yours, but here's 3 ways that we see employers really tackling retention in the workplace today, and you can do this as well. The first is provide an exceptional employee onboarding experience. There's been numerous studies that show the correlation between onboarding and retention, with the most recent reporting that 69% of employees will stay at their workplace for 3 or more years if they have a great onboarding experience. The second is cast a vision for their future. Your employees want to know what future opportunities are available to them in your company. In fact, this is one of the most common reasons employees are leaving today. So sit down or have a manager sit down with them annually to develop a career plan that outlines clear goals and objectives they need to achieve in order to advance in your company. And the third is offer a competitive salary and benefits package. Use benchmarking tools to determine whether or not your salaries are competitive today. And maybe in addition to offering health, dental, vision, and life insurance, consider adding in additional benefits perks such as tuition reimbursement, paid time off, parental leave, and retirement, just to name a few. These are just 3 of many retention strategies that you can incorporate to retain your top talent in your company today. And with unemployment rate low and opportunities showing up on their feeds daily, there's no greater time than now to address retention in your workplace so that you can continue to keep the best, the brightest, the most talented on your team.